It's Friday, September 25th, and we're going to take a look at the progress we've been making at 454 Park Avenue Southeast in the neighborhood of Grant Park in Atlanta, Georgia. So, we've got all of our framing completed, and we'll be working on HVAC systems and plumbing for now. So in our front foyer here, all of our framing members that we needed to work on to amend the wall studs are all put in here. Of course, all the plaster and lath is out, and you see our original chimney there. We'll be using one of our original mantles here, taking off the Majolica tile, storing that away for some future repairs for other homes in the neighborhood, and we'll be reconstituting a light tile on that fireplace. A set of French doors and a transom will go here that were original to the house. And then over here, you can see we're going to put our pocket doors back in that are set in the wall right now. Those will be reconstituted here. That way we can have a fully enclosed foyer if we want it. The transom will go back above the door of the original street numbers that we found. And you see the stained glass up here that's being protected on the outside right now. Obviously the burglar bars will come down, and any repairs that we need to do on the stained glass will happen. So walking over here, this front room is going to be the dining room. This is the mantle that was original to this fireplace. It was taken off about 40 years ago as this firebox was built out. This mantle was sitting in the hallway, so we're just going to put it right back here where it belongs. And then on the front here, we have stained glass transoms that are going to go back in. A couple of these are out right now and just away for safe storage in our house. And obviously we'll be putting those back in. In the entry into the living area here in the kitchen, this was a pocket door opening that we didn't realize we had. So you see the rails are still in there. We had glass French doors that are about 80 to 100 years old that were on hinges here. So we are going to grab those and we're going to put those back in as pockets. And those are the doors right there we're going to be putting back in. All right, so now we go into the dining room. Actually, this is the living room. We're going to swap a mantle from a bedroom and put that one in here because it's lower. And we'll put that over here, and that way a TV will be able to go above that. But this will be a nice big living room here, opened up to the middle hallway gallery. And as we walk through here, we will have a little breezeway into a kitchen. This will be a coffee bar, butler pantry kind of area right here. We'll move that breaker box, by the way. This will be a pantry with a glass window on the door, and then we actually have a window in the pantry, and this is going to be where we can see the original molding. We will keep this original molding on here. That'll be the only original molding in the house with these kind of arts and crafts looking head blocks. I don't know if you can see it with that light there, but look at that head block with the beads in there. Okay, so of course kitchen, big triptych window set out here. This will be closed up and we'll have the stove. Actually, the vent hood is going up here. And the kitchen will be opened up to the middle hallway gallery as well, with about a 10-foot high opening. The island will be in the middle here. We'll have 2 dishwashers on either side of the sink underneath the window, and our microwave will go in the island. So looking in this middle hallway here, that basically goes to a set of double French doors to a screened-in porch back here, all the way around to our glass doors that will be closing the foyer here. We're going to keep the original wood lap siding on this hallway, which was original to the house, because we had a back hallway door for a wall that was right there where my finger is. And so from that point back, we had wood lap siding. We're going to keep that, and we have a lot of it sitting out on the front porch that we're going to put back here. This will be the opening to the master bedroom, and of course we have a new master bedroom addition back here with a door that will open up to this screened-in porch. And we already have our roof on our screened-in porch. You can see the backyard is cleared out. It's 216 feet deep from the front curb to the back alley. And we may or may not put a garage back there. We do have one permitted, but we're not quite sure if we're really going to put it back there quite yet. Somebody else could probably put this in the future. Okay, and our master here, that's where your bed will go. You have the 2 windows facing the neighbor's house. You have another triptych window set right here. And then of course, you've got the door that I just came in from the screened porch, and your door into a little tiny vestibule that comes off of the kitchen gallery area is right here. Here we have our master bath. Master bath is going to have separated vanities You're gonna have a 32-inch vanity right here on this. You've got your double windows here, and then another vanity on that side there. This will be your master closet, and then of course you've got your master shower right here. In between the two vanities, where this double window is, will be your freestanding tub. All right, we're gonna go back down the hallway. Here I'm going out of our little vestibule here, going down the central hallway. This will be the laundry room right by the stairs. This will be a side-by-side laundry. You have plenty of room to work with here in the little hallway that is in front of a guest bedroom suite here. So I'm going into the guest bedroom suite. Actually, this is not the guest bedroom suite. This is the bathroom that's in between the guest bedrooms. So we're going to have a vanity here on the wall. We have a tub shower combo here. All right, and then we're walking around here to a closet that goes underneath the stairs. And then I'm walking back into the front bedroom. So this front bedroom was always here. We're just going to cut a little bit of it down because we obviously had to put a stairwell in the back part of it to go upstairs. We've got our two windows here. We've got a door that goes out to the side porch here with an original stained glass transom here. And then, like I said, we swapped the mantle from this room with this one. We've got a higher mantle in here. We're putting the shorter mantle in the living room because we're going to put a TV above it. And of course, this one will go here. So that's our fourth fireplace. All right, we're going to run upstairs and see what we did here. So the pitch on this roof was enough that we could put a second floor up. So that's what we're doing. So this is a new stairwell. This was not original to the house. This has a switchback halfway up. All right, we've got a great window into this really, really high stairwell here. And we'll find some stained glass that'll just be a decorative piece to go over the front of that window. So this is all new framing up here, of course. We're gonna have two bedrooms up here, so we'll have a total of 4 bedrooms, 3 baths. This is a small side bedroom that faces the north. A little scuttle to go over the kitchen if you want some extra storage. Closet for this room. Going out here toward the front of the house, we have a big play area with a nice high roof, or a nice high ceiling rather. It also has a scuttle that goes to the front roof storage area of the house. Goes around to that little gable that has the window there. We have a second laundry room on the second floor. So right here in this hallway, we'll have a stackable area here. All right, going back down the hall, we have another bedroom in the back. This faces east and the backyard. You see the roof over the master bedroom and the roof, of course, over the screen porch. Another scuttle that goes over the master bathroom and the master bedroom. And then last of all, here's our last bathroom right beside the stairwell. So your gable will have matching windows going out. We have a tub shower combo. We'll have a sliding door in between the tub shower combo and the double vanity and the toilet. That'll be out here.